Good morning, students. Now we start our today's class in subject of geography, and chapter name is geography as a discipline. एक विषय के रूप में geography क्या है, कैसे है. And our today's topic is physical geography and natural science. In this topic, we try to learn about the relation between physical geography and another natural sciences. And as you know, geography is as a discipline is connected to another social sciences subjects and also science subjects like petrology, geology, meteorology, hydrology, and thus geomorphology, climatology, oceanography, and social geography respectively have very close link with the natural sciences as these derive their data from these sciences, as these drive to biogeography is closely related to botany, geology as well as ecology. Why? In this the whole natural sciences subjects to related with geography. Now question arises to why. So you got answer I hope, but I will explain that. As we know, the geography is a study of whole earth, whole nature, and also as well as relation between human and nature, and the whole content which is a natural science, because geography is a nature. Actually we must say that the geography is beyond the earth, and the natural sciences only natural science have limitations to their explanations. So geography in this terms, geography is a other natural sciences is part of the geography studies, because if we learn the oceanography, if we learn the climatology, if we learn the botany or biology, they all sciences incidented in a nature, in a oceans, in a soils, in a plants, etc, etc, and the whole content is the part of geography. So I think you all understand why geography is a very close to natural sciences and other sciences, as well as our next topic is geography as a social sciences. And in previous lectures we are explained I have explained that the closing relation between history, and now we through another social sciences subjects which is geography is connected like sociology, political science, economy. So we learn about in our another classes in 12th and other classes when you go to geography, when you go in your graduation classes. Then after you learn the different streams of geography like social geography, political geography, economical geography, and census geography. So that all are related with geography. Like social geography, it means we learn to the human conditions, different reasons of human conditions who are interconnected in a nature. That terms we learn in geography. And after that, economical geography, when the economic activities in the particular land areas or particular land masses, and in geographical conditions we uh, catch their resources, like we catch mineral resources in plateau region, we catch crops in a plain regions. So all are dependent in a geographical conditions, and these all resources make a economy, so that is interconnected. As well as we say that the geography as a social sciences subject. And after that we first students you watch the figure 1.1. It is very important figure, and that is shown the connection between another subjects to with the geography, and you must to watch this. And after that, that's all are look about branches of geography. First I must to say that if the you are please watch this figure 1.1, and that is shown that the whole content to interconnected of geography, how to they are connected. So first, geography is an interdisciplinary subject of study, the study of every subject done according to some approaches, as you know. And there are two approaches of geography, and German geographer gave them. So the two approaches of geography, first systematic and second regional. The systematic geographical approach given a German geographer who is Alexander von Humboldt. Alexander von Humboldt. Alexander von Humboldt. And second German geographer, he is a German geographer, is 1769 to 1859. And the regional geography approach, which was given by is also an German geographer. He is a Karl Ritter. So these are two German geographer who is gave the two approaches for systematic and